You looking for a sissy bar bag for your overnight trips? Take a look at what I received from Viking Bags. Welcome to the channel. A few weeks ago, Viking Bags reached out to me, asked if I would be interested in doing a review for them. I said as long as I can give my honest review, and then they sent me a bag. So I did receive this product for free. Just putting this little disclaimer out there. Now they say this is an overnight bag for your sissy bar, mounts to your sissy bar. They say you could also mount it on your top rack, if you got a rack, or you can mount it on your back seat. Let me show you what it is. Here it is, Viking Bags. They call this the Dagr bag, large Dagr. It looks pretty huge. All right. You got a main opening here in the front. Got a couple side pouches. All right. Got some nice leather here. And this is corridor or whatever they call it. I don't know. This bag is water resistant as it is. All right. The zippers. Each zipper you could put padlocks on them if you need to. So to lock up everything. You got locks here. So the side bags here. Ooh, let me see if I can do this here. I don't know what you can fit in there. I don't know if you can see. Okay. There you go. I think the same on this side. Okay. And then you got the front. Okay. Nice big opening. You got got some like straps here on the side that like kind of almost like I don't know what you want to call it. I don't know. So the whole thing don't swing open. So you got a little pouch right here on the front of it. And then you also got a little, I don't know if you can see, this is mesh with a zipper here. Opens it up and you can, little mesh pocket there. It's rigid, so it keeps its shape. All right. I'll zip this back up. Okay. It's got a nice handle on top so you can carry it. All right, in the back side. This is where you're going to mount it to your sissy bar. So you can mount it sitting on your seat on the sissy bar like this. If you have a rack on the back of your fender, you could sit it on the sissy bar like that. All right. Now, this is adjustable. So you take these bars out. Okay? This is adjustable depending on how wide your sissy bar is. You take, I don't know if you can see this, you take this little flap. You set it on your sissy, your sissy bar goes in through here. I can't show you a sissy bar because I don't have one. But I will show you how to mount it on the rack and on the back seat of my bike. So you stick your sissy bar through here, and then you, how wide it is, you stick the bars back in here. Just say like that's your sissy bar or whatever. And then your sissy bar is right there. Okay? So you got some eyelets here that you can put straps to. That you could strap to your sissy bar or these ones here. Okay? Strap. And I think it comes with straps. Let me look. It comes with a couple straps here. Got 2 straps. And another 2 straps. You just want to, if you want to put it on your sissy bar, you just take this strap, you hook it on there, you take this end, you loop it around your bar that's sticking up right here, and then you can just loop it around, and then you can just put it right back in there and tighten it up. Okay? Tighten it up on your bar right here. Okay? And you can do the same thing on the bottom with your sissy bar rack right out here. Okay? So you got a couple straps for that. It also comes with a backpack strap. So you could put this on your back. Strap it on there. Strap it on there. And strap one on here. See if I can get myself up in here and see what this looks like. Okay. Hopefully you can see me. I'm going to do the handle. There we go. Alright. And then you just tighten it up. And then you got nice, you can do it as a backpack. Okay? Alright, like I said, this bag is water resistant as it is. So if you want to waterproof it, it also comes with a rain cover. So then you have to throw the rain cover. It's a little rubber lined inside. Then you have to throw the rain cover over it. Okay. Because this also bag comes with an attachment, another bag that goes over the top of it. Can you see that? And it's got some hooks right here that you take these little straps and you go through your eye hook right here and send it right on out through, and you can tighten them down and boom. And these latches just latch right there. Okay, see? It's made out of the same material. It's got a handle right here, so you can lift this whole thing up if you wanted to. Okay. This also has leather, and it has zippers that could be lockable with padlocks. Put them together with padlocks. So I'll see if I can open this up. See what it looks like. It's got one on each side. I have no idea what this is for. Okay, I don't know if you can see in there. I don't know what you put in here, maybe your toiletries or whatever, I don't know. Oh, okay, now I know what this is. This is a wall. Okay, got a little stiff board in here that you can separate this, make this into 2 different walls here, I guess. It's kind of a pain trying to put this in because the Velcro wants to keep sticking here. Alright, there, now I got the wall in there. It's kind of a pain with the Velcro just trying to stick all the time. But anyway, you can wall off a section. You got a handle here. Okay? I will put some stuff in here and try to mount it on the bike. Okay? Okay, I have the Dagr bag strapped upright on my rack because it doesn't really fit very well laying down. I'll show you after I take it off. I have it strapped here, right here, looped around right there. Same thing here. Okay, on this side. Now I have it strapped right here on the back, but it's real tight, so it's kind of crunching this down a little bit. So I don't know how that's going to work. May have to change it and put a strap in here and then zig it, you know, put this strap. Let's see here. Let's see if I can do it. May have to do it this way. Take this strap off because this is, I can't tighten this up, and it was, so I might have to, yeah, might have to put it right here in this one, and then I can go like this. And then we could tighten this down. All right. And then do it with this one too. Just unstrap it. There. And then we can go. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. There we go. And then we can, there. There. I don't know if I like this like that, because then it's going to catch a lot of wind. Maybe this one here I'd have to strap down better. But at least this way I would be able to put the waterproof cover on somehow. All right, I think. I don't know. The only thing with these, I don't like bags that you have to put a cover on to make it waterproof, because then you got all this, you know. So then you'd also have to throw something over this. You could cinch this up. There was a cinch up part somewhere, string on here somewhere. I don't know where it went. There it is. But you could cinch it up. But then you got all this flopping in the wind. So you would have to put another strap on here to stop this from flying off. Because I've seen where these just fly away sometimes. That's why I like the dry packs. That's my only dislike about this bag, is having this. All right, I'll take this off and I'll show you how this sits better right here. I'm gonna put it, this is where I would use it. Oh, but first let me show you. They say you could strap it down like this too, long ways, but it's kind of odd long. It don't, you know, this would have to come off, and then you would only have this little bag, but it does not sit on my rack that good. So I would not be able to do it this way. So if I used it on the rack, it would have to go this way. And then it's catching more wind. So I don't know. But for me, this would be where it would go. Oh, you know what? I won't be able to use my, there we go. Boy, that's in there good. I might not be able to use my, if I did this way, I might not be able to use my backrest. Let me see here. What about this way? All right, that fits better that way. There we go. I would have to put it in this way because with the contour of my seat, it fits better that way. Okay. And of course, you got straps here. You could use, you know, I could use this to strap this down right here, or whatever. Then I could grab these straps, probably go right here. Boom. Okay. So my opinions on this bag. It is a nice looking bag. I think it's a nice looking bag by itself with just this part off. Nice looking bag. I think this would be better for a bike with a sissy bar, or unless you just want to sit it on the back seat, that would work out good too. I'm not sure what this goes for. I think it's like $180. I think it's on sale, or $170, $75 or something. I think it's on sale for $135 right now on Viking Bags. My only thing is I do not like bags that you have to put a rain cover on, because it makes noise, you know, going down the road, wind, and also you could lose them. You'd have to strap this also once you put it on. My only thing, but it is really nice bag, and I want to thank you know, Viking Bags for giving me the opportunity to put this out there. All right, that's my review of the Dagr overnight bag by Viking Bags. It's a really nice looking bag. It's got some leather and it's got some corridor. I guess that's what they call it, corridor. It's got some structure to it, so it keeps its shape, and it has another top part, another top bag that goes onto it. Looks really nice. So if you're interested in it, the link will be in the description below. And I want to thank Viking Bags for the opportunity for me to review this bag. I greatly appreciate it. But like I said, this would work better for a sissy bar than a touring bike, I think, unless you just put it in your back seat. It's not a deal breaker, but my other concern is the waterproof cover. I don't like bags really where you have to put another cover over it to make it waterproof, because then it catches the wind, it could fly away, and also, you know, with the wind hitting it and, you know, flopping, you know, making noise, because I get really irritated with noises, and you'd be hearing, you know, going down the road. But anyway, that's the end of the video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified of when I put up new videos. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about this bag? And would it be something feasible for you? And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.